This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Fogel. Virtual tour available. Welcome to 3740 Lakemont Drive, a custom-designed Arthur Rutenberg Bimini floor plan, Pelican Landing's most sought-after estate home, ideally situated on a premium lakefront lot surrounded by mature palms and lush tropical landscaping. This exceptional home boasts an open-concept layout with soaring ceilings, expansive walls of glass sliders, and abundant natural light, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. With 4 spacious bedrooms plus a versatile den or 5th bedroom, 3.5 baths, and multiple dining areas, including a breakfast nook beside luxurious mitered glass window, breakfast bar, and an elegant dining area in the living room, this home offers both comfort and flexibility. Step outside to your private, oversized lanai and pool deck, where you can relax by the water, dine al fresco, or take advantage of the generous covered areas with numerous possible seating arrangements. The large lanai is purposefully designed to add maximum privacy while enjoying lake views, wading birds, and peaceful fountains in the distance. Beyond the pool is a large grassy area providing the perfect location for play and pets. As a resident of Pelican Landing, you'll enjoy world-class amenities, including a 34-acre private island beach club, Gulf access sailing, kayaking, and boat ramp, 12 true tennis courts, pickleball, bocce, and a state-of-the-art fitness center. This home's prime location near the main gate offers the added convenience of walking or biking to the community center, grocery store, pharmacy, and numerous casual and fine dining options. Additionally, optional memberships are available at the Nest Golf Club, featuring 36 holes of championship golf and a newly renovated clubhouse. Please note, some membership options may have a waitlist due to high demand. This is your opportunity to personalize the final details of an already exceptional home in one of Southwest Florida's premier communities. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.